Hello all, hope you all are doing great. So today in this session we are going to cover the walkthrough of portal, Azure portal, and we will learn how we can create a very first instance of Azure Data Factory in the Azure portal. So let's get started. So if you can see in my screen, there is the portal which I have already opened, that is portal.azure.com. So what you have to do is go to your browser and type this URL and it will redirect you to take a subscription. So you are free to get a free trial subscription, 14 days trial subscription, or you can take a pay as you go subscription. So out of this, I will recommend to take a 14-day free trial uh, subscription. There the hack is you have to provide the credit card information, but don't worry, you do not be charged a single penny from the Microsoft because it is only for the learning purpose. So for 14 days they will provide some credit value and that you can utilize to increase your knowledge on Azure. So that way. Second is pay as you go subscription. If you opt for the pay as you go subscription, I would recommend to on daily basis, whenever you use it, there are two things that you can consider. Once is you can check your cost. Okay, for the services, there you will get an idea which services is taking a much cost, and the services which you are not using for a while, you can just pause it. So this is the option. If you see cost management and billing, there you can go if you have the pay as you go subscription, and you can check your cost and billing time to time. So this is the portal. Once you are done with the subscription, you are landed with the in this home page. If you see here, and this is the section of recent sources. The resources which I have already created is listed down here. If you click here, if you go here, if you see, there are a lot of services available which is provided by the Microsoft Azure. So so what you need to, this is the section where you will see the services. If you wanted to explore more, you can click on the more services and you will get all the services category wise. You will able to see the services, general services inside that. What are the services which inside the compute category? So these are the services which are under the compute services. Okay, compute category. So this way you can explore all the services. And this is the option. If you see, this is a cloud cell. If I click on it, this is something, if you are expertise in cloud and all, right, PowerShell scripts, you wanted to create your resources with the help of PowerShell script, then you can use this one. Okay, and the second icon is nothing but your subscription. It will display all your subscription what you have. I have my default directory. This is the directory ID. All the subscription details you have. See, I have this last visited. All those stuff you will get it here. If you click on here, this is the notification. So I have created one deployment. So it will give the notification whenever you created any new resources. The notification of that or the update of that services will appear here. Then the next is directory and subscription. This is which I have already covered. This is the help icon. If you have creating any issue, if you have any facing any issues, okay, in the billing or in any other things, so you can connect with you can raise a ticket to the Microsoft support team, and they will definitely revert back and give your shout out your problem. Okay, and if you see, this icon is nothing but a feedback. If you wanted to give a feedback to the Microsoft, you can provide a feedback as well. This is your profile. If you see here, this is the default directory which has been added. Your account is been added in the default directory. This is your permissions. If you wanted to see the permission, what permission you have on your account. Okay, you can see your bill, you can submit an idea, you can see your contact information. If you wanted to see my permission, so if you click here, so by default when you create it, okay, when you create your Azure Data Factory, you will be the administrator of the subscription, so you will get the full support, full kind of ownership. So that's why, so that you will be able to create, and you will be able to create, edit and manage your services. That's why by default you will given administrator role. Now let's go and check the ADF instance, how we can create it. And here if you see, if I scroll down, we have a navigate. From here also you can see your subscription. If you have a resource groups, then this is the resource groups. I mean, resource group is nothing but a collection of the resources which you have created. Suppose you created some services which belongs to the East US region, and you wanted to, bind all those kind of the services which belongs to ES in some bucket, kind of a. So there you can create a resource group. You can add all the services inside that resource group. This is only for the management purpose. I mean, so that you will be able to manage your services more efficiently. That is the only intention. Here we have Azure Monitor. These are the tools which is provided by the Microsoft to make your life easy. Okay, for this is the cost management defender. So this we will cover later on. This is advanced topics. So this is what is the walkthrough. Now I wanted to create a new data factory. If you see here, I can see the icon. Okay, data factory. If you're not able to see this, no worry, you can just type it.